welcome to my channel. In this video I am gonna show you how you can use the app video editing app CapCut. CapCut is a very easy and useful app which you can easily choose and edit your video in different using different effects in different styles. It is a very useful app. I can say it is one of the best. I can say it the one of the best that I can say it that it is a one of the best mobile video editing apps. So let's pack it into a big video. Open your CapCut and then click on new project. So I have imported my video which I wanna edit here, and here you can see I have a stock footage, a stock video, and you will see that how I use this beautiful app. So first of all, I wanna if you wanna trim the scene, so just from here and select this and click on split, and wanna cut it, then click on delete. So the between scene is cut and the video move forward. So it is a very useful option, like the split option. And then if you wanna do some other things like it's adjust its volume, the video has no volume. Otherwise if the video volume is so much high and we wanna reduce it, so we will set it like this or this. And if the video volume is too low, so we can it like this. So it has no volume, the video has no volume. So next thing, you can do like some transition type effect, but I don't did it. I will simply put transition. So now it has nothing more important, so I will go ahead. You can get some artwork viewer, and next thing you can do text. I will show you how to text on the video. Nature. So first I will go to its styles and select a beautiful style from it, stroke, yes, like this. And I will try to do it a little bit professional, like this. And then I will go to this. I don't want, yes, okay, like this, yes. We go to 0, bold italic, and the next thing, go to effects. We don't want it, go to bubble. We still don't want it, go to animation, the final thing, and like this. Yes, I am okay with this. So you can see, if you wanna drop your text, if you here, so it will come like this on the start of the video. Wow, it is not look like amazing? Wow, beautiful this is. Okay, so the next thing, if you wanna put a transition between the video, we can just click on this between the videos, and then we can make any transition. Wow, this is one of my favorite transition in the VM style edited. Wow, this is amazing. Actually these videos are almost same, that's why it doesn't show this much difference, but still this is a very good transition. I really love this time. Wow, amazing transition this is. Okay, so we are done with text, and now we will go to some. We can also import our own overlays which we can download from YouTube, and then we can use them for our videos. Now we are just gonna go to effects, video effects, and we can select any type of effects from here. I wanna use this effect. This is looking cool. I will not use this because it is not suitable. I will not use this. You can see how beautiful this is. I am just showing you how beautifully this is. This is highlighting this. Wow, this is amazing, bro. This is really amazing. So we will, I think we should choose this. Yes, I have selected this. So we can drag it here on the whole video like this, and then this, so it will be applied on the whole video. Okay, so we will go to the next. We can also make our layers big or small from like this. And now we are gonna do some filters on this video. So go to filters, and then we can select any. There is one of my favorite, like this or this. These two filters are and there are many that are my favorite. And yes, you can see how beautiful this is, but we will not select any. First I wanna, okay, we have removed all the filters. Now we'll go to adjust. I will try to do it myself. Reduce the some brightness a little bit. Yes, like this. Reduce some contrast, saturation, increase exposure. It is better to make your video look more sharp. The more sharp it will look, the more clear it will look. Skip it for some time and focus on the other things. Reduce the shadow and fade. Thickness we will do it after doing HSL. This is the last thing in our video today. So if I wanna do that orange shape, so I can just the saturation, or if I wanna change it, I can do this. Wow. For now I am not gonna do, I am just gonna do it. Wow. But I will not do it. This is killing the beauty of the nature. If I wanna change, then I can do change like this. See, this is more cool, or this is more cool. I am going with like this. If I wanna do this, I can also do this, but I will not do this. This is also cleaner. I am just showing you that you can do these things also with this, with the help of this. You can see how beautiful this scene is looking like after applying these things on this video. So I will just go with this. Now I will go to vignette and increase it. If I want to increase it, can so much, but I will just do it a little like this. Okay, so now yes, now I have done all the changes that I want to do in this video, and I hope you have understand this like this basic things in the video. If you want to export it, then you can also click here, and there this video is exporting. You can see it is exporting, and it will go to your gallery after getting exported. So I hope you have understand the video, you have liked the video. If yes, please bro, please like my video, and please comment on my video, and please share it with your friends who also wanna edit their videos. And bro, also please subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye till then bro.